Hey everybody, my name is Chris Bystead. I'm here at Guaranty RV in Junction City. I'm really excited to present to you this 2020 Nash 26N. It's a really awesome trailer. So many times people are looking for a trailer that's under 30 feet total length so they can get into all their spots and get up into the hills and go off grid. This is the perfect trailer for that. It's a true four-season trailer, heated and enclosed underbelly, insulated and built extremely well right here in Oregon. We have been with the Northwood company for a long time, and we're very excited to carry their products, and I'm really looking forward to showing you the inside of this trailer. It's got a floor plan that I think a lot of couples would really love. As I promised, this is a gorgeous trailer on the inside. You're going to notice that all the cabinetry is made of a material you may not have heard of before. It's wood. Wood cabinetry, beautiful hinges and finishes. This particular trailer is kind of like you know, your ensuite motel room on wheels. You've got a beautiful, as you walk in the back door, you've got a beautiful couch with a rear living, big huge picture window, kind of an atmosphere. You've got a jackknife sofa there with nightstands on both sides, so you could sleep an extra person there as well, or just make that into a little day bed. Throw some pillows out there and kind of chill, read a book. It's really a comfortable design with great visibility. We've got a wonderful dinette here, and this also will drop down to make an extra sleeping space for somebody if they would like. And one of the things that people really like about this is you look and you open up the cupboards, you're going to see that there's plenty of room for storage, for food. They really do give you adequate space inside the kitchen area. You've got a Jensen TV and stereo system, Bluetooth ready, plays Blu-ray, has all your AM, FM music, speakers built in everywhere. So all of your entertainment needs are nicely taken care of right here in this TV, and it swings around so you can view it from different angles. When you look over at the refrigerator, you're going to notice it's not like a standard refrigerator. They actually put wood facings on the front. It's very beautiful. It matches everything. There is a nice microwave with it's Furrion, a very high-end brand for RVs. You've got a fan and light combo over top of this stove. 3-burner cook stove, and I'm just going to say, look at these appliances and compare them to other RVs that you see. These are high-end Furrion, more of a residential looking, very nice oven as well, stainless steel double sink, and a really nice kitchen with plenty of drawers and like I said, storage space. Your AC is all ducted throughout. What people really love, and I really like about this unit, is the big, huge master bedroom area. It's not a small master bedroom. It's larger. It incorporates the bathroom. There's a glass surround shower. Wonderful bed with shirt closets and cubbies on either side, and a private commode behind a door. This is something that I think most people really get excited about when they see and they view this trailer. That's one of the #1 things that they like, is just having the commode separate and a place to get ready, so both people can be getting ready in the morning and doing what they need to do and having privacy. It's very nice. Storage underneath the bed, and everything that you would expect from a high-end trailer. You know, you're going to have power awnings and LED lights and nice big tanks and a power tongue jack. All these things are what makes up this trailer, and it's such a beautiful trailer. People really like it. The size, the weight, the quality. It's something that I think is a perfect couples trailer. I think you would love it. We've got a few other options that we can show you, other floor plans if you need a different floor plan, but this one I think would really work good for most people. As I said, I think this would be a perfect couples trailer. It fits everything that most couples are looking for. I would love to show it to you. Feel free to give me a jingle. My name is Chris Bystead. You can call my personal cell phone, 541-636-7878. I'm happy to answer any questions for you. Schedule a tour or take a down payment on one today. We've got one. Sure love to sell it to you.